Hi, my name is Chandler Waters, and I'm trans. Starting a YouTube channel just for my own purpose, kind of, just to track my own transition, and if I could help other people along the way, that'd be really cool too. It's Chandler here on my channel, Alternate Journey. Hey guys, Chandler here. This is my voice 1 month on testosterone. Acne was like the #1 thing that I noticed like literally the next day after my first shot. But like it just sucks because like I got to that point where like 21 years old and I finally had control of my skin, and then it's like, nope, going through second puberty, gonna go through all that bullshit again. This is my voice 2 months on testosterone. My throat started to like feel really sore, and I would go on random coughing fits, and then that turned into voice cracks, which is so freaking embarrassing. So my muscles definitely increased. I also noticed that my shoulders have gotten a little bit broader. I mean, I don't know, like it seems broader to me. I don't know if that I'm just trying to like picture it and notice things, that I'm just imagining this, but they seem broader to me. This is my voice 3 months on testosterone. I have an increase in stamina, like I'm not tired as fast. I feel like my face has changed, like the shape of it. It's kind of like at the point where it's like maybe shifting into a more masculine shape. Hey guys, ooh. This is my voice 4 months on testosterone. I'm just gonna be like a really hairy man, I guess. But especially my happy trail, it's like an actual trail now. Like it's like a direct path where you're like, oh, that's the way we go. Not like a little hidden path where you're like, I guess that's the path we're supposed to take, right? No, it's like clear cut happy trail all the way from like my chest down, and my hairline is kind of receding to like more of a masculine shape. It's nothing that bad. It's just like the baby hairs on the side. This is my voice 5 months on testosterone. And yes, I'm wearing some guy liner today because why the hell not? I'm starting to get more scruff a few days after I shave, so like darker strands of hair, especially like the mustache, like the dirt stash, and my sideburns. My face has dropped, meaning that like my jawline has dropped a bit, if that makes sense. It's definitely more masculine looking. This is my voice 6 months on testosterone. My hair has gotten a lot curlier. Noticed that I become angrier faster. Now, like I skip the whole frustration stage and I just get angry. Like I'm not gonna like rage out or anything, because like I'm pretty good at maintaining my anger now. Obviously when I was a teenager I wasn't, because like I was going through everything and I didn't know who I really was, so it's like there's other factors. This is my voice 7 months on testosterone. My chest seems flatter, although testosterone unfortunately does not actually flatten your chest. It just seems flatter just because I have actually gained muscle within my chest area, meaning like my pecs. So unfortunately I do a shot every other week, which kind of sucks because honestly on the weeks I do not take my shot, I've noticed I'm more in a depression kind of state, and like I experience a lot of the symptoms of having low testosterone. I have like mood swings during these weeks. My irritability increases, have random thoughts of sadness and everything like that. This is my voice 8 months on testosterone. Basically increased my dose, meaning like I'm still doing the 0.25 milliliters, 200 milligrams per milliliter, but now I am doing it every week. So now it's more consistent shot. My levels, because like before, like you know, you do a shot so your testosterone levels increase, but then I wouldn't do a shot until 2 weeks later. So like your levels just slowly drop, and then you do another shot and it goes back up and slowly drops. Now doing a weekly shot, so like my levels go up, but then slowly goes down and then back up, and it's like more consistent, which is amazing. It's so great. Like I already felt like so much better. Since then I haven't experienced really mood swings, irritability, or major depressive thoughts. I mean, I still sometimes get like depressive thoughts just because like dysphoria and everything, obviously. This is my voice 9 months on testosterone. This is my voice 10 months on testosterone. No, I did not forget my 9 months on testosterone. I did not make an update video for that because like I just felt tired of repeating the same thing. Major facial hair growth. Definitely my mustache. I definitely have a noticeable dirt stash now. My hairline has definitely receded over the past 2 months. It's definitely the more masculine shape. Also, really good news is that I finally found a primary care doctor that is accepting of trans patients. This is my voice 11 months on testosterone. I've definitely noticed that I think I've gotten broader. Yeah, definitely like with my shoulders and also my back, which is like your shoulder blades, I guess you would call it, right? My neck got a little thicker.
Just because like certain t-shirts just are starting to feel really tight on me. I feel like I really pass with this voice. No one really questions me, especially like at FedEx, like I'm stealth there. Unfortunately, I don't look 21, even though I am. I probably look like 16, but there's a lot of men out there with baby faces, I guess, so like maybe I'm just like, they think I'm one of those men, you know?
Hey guys, Chandler here on my channel, Alternate Journey.
This is my voice 1 year on testosterone. Overall, like, I'm just really happy where my voice is at right now. It sounds very masculine. I pass extremely well in public. I don't know, everything so far I just really like. Thank you again for all your love and support.